There's something lurking inside the 2026 Alfa Romeo Montreal. Something so advanced, Alfa Romeo hasn't even talked about it publicly yet. From its aggressive new design to its mysterious AI system that learns how you drive, this car could change everything you thought you knew about Italian engineering. So don't blink. Watch until the end, because we're about to reveal the secrets no one else is talking about. And hey, if you're a true car enthusiast, hit that subscribe button now. You won't want to miss what's coming. The new Montreal arrives with a striking, aerodynamic silhouette bathed in a glossy yellow finish that screams confidence. Up front, the signature Trilobo grille remains, but it's flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that give the car a fierce, almost predatory expression. The hood's sculpted lines guide the eye to a low-slung, muscular stance that looks ready to pounce. It's not just aggressive, it's art in motion. From the rear, it's pure adrenaline. The sleek taillight bar runs edge to edge, while the bold diffuser and center-mounted exhaust hint at serious performance capabilities. Wide haunches, blacked-out aero details, and enormous multi-spoke alloy wheels complete a look that balances heritage with hyper-modern muscle. If Alfa Romeo wanted to make a statement, they just yelled it. But beneath that seductive skin lies a set of specifications that even some insiders didn't expect. For starters, the Montreal 2026 hides an active aerodynamic system that adjusts in real time based on driving conditions. Paired with a lightweight carbon fiber chassis and electronically controlled adaptive suspension, this isn't just a sports car, it's a precision weapon on the road. Powering the beast is a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 hybrid system, rumored to push close to 620 horsepower, channeled through Alfa's new rear-biased all-wheel drive platform. And here's that secret. The Montreal features an AI-assisted drive mode that learns from your driving habits, adjusting throttle, steering, and suspension response dynamically over time, almost like it's alive. With the 2026 Montreal, Alfa Romeo isn't just looking to reclaim past glory. They're chasing the future with ferocity, crafting a car that blends old-school passion with next-gen technology. This isn't a tribute, it's a bold new chapter, and it's only just beginning.